Hey, if you want to declutter and organize under your sink, you got to check out this 2-pack of under sink organizers that I have. The brand did send these to me. They took me about 25 minutes to put together. They're really not that complicated. It's just a few pieces and they give you a little Allen key with some screws. Not complicated at all, but I'm going to bring you up close in just a second. Here is the old under sink organizer. This thing's been in there for, I don't know, 40 years, literally. Everything is just very easy. They give you these black pieces of plastic for the bottoms there. They give you this LED motion sensing light, which I'll show you, but everything just kind of slides like that. They do give you these dividers. These dividers, I'll show you, just snap in. They're very easy to remove and install. And you can put these on the bottom basket. Use them for whatever you want. You can lay things over the top. This is how easy they are to slide out for accessibility. Same thing on the top here, okay? So whatever you need to get, you're just gonna get it and then slide it back in, nice and easy. On the bottom of each organizer, they do have 4 suction cups. Okay, so you can utilize those if you need to. I have a very old, dirty kind of wood surface, so I'm not too concerned about these suction cups sticking. But again, look, it just slides in and out. So I guess technically I don't really need the suction cups to work, but if you have opportunity to do that, yeah, you might as well. Now you can see up here, look at this. This is the motion sensing light that they give you. They give you magnets that you can put on there, and they give you the other piece right there. So I just installed it there. That's where it's gonna sit. So now let's close this up. When we go in here, watch, it's dark. And as soon as I open the door, it senses the motion and it turns the light on. Now I can see what the heck I'm doing in here. I think these under sink organizers are a great value. I love the lights that they give you with this. Keeps everything nice and organized. They look great. Very easy to put together. So if you want to get everything organized and get a little bit more clutter free, definitely check these out. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.